Let us all call her for her sample round. Our judge number 1, Miss Hannah Rose C. Villanueva.
Siya yung judges. Wala. Yun, galing Yun, halimaw na Oo.
Talent Scout of Batangas for 2 consecutive years. Year 2015 to year 2016, and he continued to excel as a talent handler, guiding and developing artists. He also serves as the resident judge of Ruberian International Incorporated, and he has been invited as a judge for a numerous competition across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, from Nasugbu, Batangas, let us all give him a big round of applause, our very own Director, Alvin Bendicio. For judging. Alright, so for our best in ramp modeling, for our ramp and model, 70%. For our beauty and handsomeness for men, we have 30%, for a total of 100%. For our best in attire today, for our pre-judging, we have attire appropriateness, 70%. Poise bearing, 30%, for a total of 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, that criteria is for kids and teens edition of our Ganda and Ginoong Modelo 2026. The moment we've all been waiting for. It is time for our young candidates to take the spotlight and show personality and stage presence. Welcome to the ramp modeling competition.
Gagaling gagaling. Palaban lahat. Bend na bend.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Next, ladies and gentlemen, we have candidate number 5. Candidate number 8.
Ah, galing din.
Nagbe-level up na sila yan.
Ang galing. Oo, hindi. Parang naglalakad ba?
Nagbe ko makapaglakad yun.
Oo.
Ngayon okay na.
Yan, cute. Ah! Galing niya. Ah! Galing. Oh! Ang cute.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8.
Ah! Galing.
Ah!
Kala ko si Erika.
Thank you so much, Ginoon. Number 6. Our next Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Our next Ginoo is Ginoo number 8.
Ah, smile. The killer smile. Oh? Oh.
As of the moment, our judges is evaluating the attire of our candidates.
This is Arti Shara Chandra that Boys to Dazzle Glow from Larry Batangas.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Candidate number 1 is from Lemery, Batangas.
Ganda at ginong modelo. Dini yun. Audition yan. Tapos pag may manalo doon, may ano sila. Nabayan na Lemery?
Is candidate number 2.
Dito. Oh. Oh.
Ginoo Gerald Pihoso, 17, Pinatagan, Batangas. Thank you so much, Ginoo number 5 from Pinatagan, Batangas.
Lahat ng mga award po nila, mga bigating award mula sa cash prize, crown, trophy, at marami pa po iba. Okay, ipapaliwanag ko lang po sa ating mga candidates ng ating mga boys. Ang ating pong candidates na boys, makinig po sa lahat ng nanay ang boys po ng kids natin. Nasa ating pong application form at sa ating pong flyers na ang mananalo po sa kids ay tatlo lang. To receive 10,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos, and 3,000 pesos. Ngayon po, lilima po ang candidate natin for the kids. Nakakawa naman po ako sa dalawang malalaglag. Nauuwi siya walang biglet. Ngayon po,
Consolation.
yung po magiging title holder po natin na 10,000, bababa po siya ng 7,000. Para po mabigyan din po natin ang prize na dalawang nalalaglag sa competition. 7, 5, 2-1. Yung 18,000 po na prize po natin, hahatiin po natin doon sa may kasi lilima po sila. Nakakaawa po yung bata kung uwi ko lang biglet na dalawa. Pero kung sila po ay naging siyam, down to 3 na lang po talaga sila. Sa kids lang po yun mga nanay ha, sa ating mga teens, girls and boys at kids na girls, wala pong mababago sa price. Sa price po nila, wala din pong nabago. Binawasan lang po natin sa kids ang grand winner para lang po mabigyan natin ng dalawang malalaglag na kids. Malinaw po sa lahat. Yan, maraming salamat po. Ngayon po, i-announce po namin ang top 2 na best attire, kids and teens, at best in rank, kids and teens, at dalawang face card. Ngayong araw na ito, for the kids edition lang. Wala po ang teens edition. Sponsored by Judge natin, ang ating beauty queen, na walang iba kundi si Hannah. Maraming salamat for the sponsor for the kids. Ayan. Talagang the best kayong maging gandang modelo at ginoong modelo. Sa ating free judging pa lang, laban na talaga kayo. Paano pa kaya sa oras na may spotlight na kayo? Malakas ang music natin, may spotlight kayo. Maraming tao, I'm sure, times 2 ang gagawin nyo o times 10 pa ang gagawin nyo sa paglampa. Ano? Muli, yung lingkod, hindi po namin nare-require ng exhibition. Yung pinakita nyo po kanina, hindi po yung exhibition. Isa exhibition po yun. Ang sinasabi ng exhibition, yung mga bali-bali ng hips, nagpapapadyak lang kung ano-ano. Hindi po namin nare-require dahil hindi po tayo battle of the runway. Gandang tindig, ganda ng mukha, ganda ng pananamit, ayan ang karapat-dapat manalo sa binuo at gandang modelo. Hawak ng catwalk fashionista, Walter Mark Nasippo. First time po pasukin ang Lemery. Kaya good luck to all candidates. Ate anak, ang nag-ground ito, magsas tapos matakasin ito. Yan, i-away na natin sa kids kung sino napili ni Ate Hannah for the face card.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we will be proceeding to the announcement and awarding of winners. May we invite our judge number 1, Miss Hannah Villanueva, to award the token. Alright, isang masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan. Alright, I will be calling first the Mr. Face Card. Meaning to say, the Ginoong Modelo Kids 2026. Our Ginoong Face Card, or Mr. Face Card, is candidate number 5. From Nasippo, Batangas.
Ang bata!
And for our Miss Face Card, or our Gandang Modelo Kids Edition 2026, Miss Face Card is candidate number 11. From Ligan, Batangas.
Ang cute!
Maybe on our photographer for our photo opportunity. And also our event director, Ms. Roda Destresa. Once again, congratulations to our Mr. and Miss Face Card from Nasippo and from Ligan, Batangas. For everyone's information, ang pumili po at nagbigay ng ating Mr. and Miss Face Card ay walang iba kundi ang ating judge number 1. Na parang mukhang award. Nasaan po supporter si candidate number 2? Okay, yan. Si candidate number 2 is from Calatagan, Batangas, right? So, candidate number 2, do you have any experience joining pageant before? So this is your first time. Okay, can you give a big shout out to your handler, to your trainer, and to your family?
Shoutout po sa mama at tatay ko na lagi sumusuporta sa akin. Lagi po sinasuhan na sila. Yan, bali po, kina Kuya Otse, kina Gerald, kina Casey, at saka po sa nag-ayos po sa akin ngayon si Ate Kennedy po.
Alright, thank you candidate number 2. Okay, next. So dito naman tayo sa boys. So we have candidate number 1. Can you please step forward? Nasaan po supporters si candidate number 1? Okay, candidate number 1, is this your first time joining pageant? Okay, puro ata mga first timer dito. Okay, big shout out to your family, friends, and supporters, and makeup artists and handler.
Makeup artist ko sa Angel.
Can you please point where Angel is? Okay, yan si Miss Angel po, fresh from San Diego, California. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Okay. Okay na po ba? Okay na po? Okay. So, mukhang kailangan pa natin ng interview. Okay. Eto, si candidate number 5. Can you please step forward? Okay. So, how did you prepare for this pre-pageant? So, mukhang may poise na poise ang datingan mo kasi.
Since I'm student leader also po, nag-isip po ako ng mga pwede kong suotin, katulad po na halos na po siya kung may idea, sa totoo lang. Dahil po ito, nag-isip ako ng mga kung ano po yung mas babagay sa akin na mas suswak at mas magugustuhan ng maraming tao.
Okay, very good naman si Dinoon number 5. So, hindi tayo para gumastos, kailangan nating magtipid. Okay, so next, dito naman tayo sa ating mga cute na bagets. So, maraming salamat po sa time and effort ng ating mga judges, Miss Hannah and Miss Manawis and Sir Alvin, for your time and for your dedication para po sa araw na ito. And especially, a big shout out para po sa ating tabulator. Walang iba kundi ang ever supportive at napakagaling na principal from Tuwi, Batangas, Ma'am Lilian Manawis. And also to our event director, Mama Roda Destresa, for giving us this opportunity para maging isang successful event. And especially sa ating pong place, we have Centro Walk Emery. Thank you so much po. And also to our handlers and makeup artists, I know sobrang hirap ng inyong mga trabaho. So thank you so much for making our candidates beautiful and handsome. Judge number 2 and judge number 3, our head judge, Sir Alvin. For our top 2, wearing an average score of 90.8%, we have candidate or model number 4 from Cebu, Batangas. Can you step forward? Okay. So, gusto niyo ka? Gusto?
Top 2 siya.
Next, our top 1, the best in rank modeling kids edition for boys category, garnering an average score of 91.3%. We have candidate number 1 from Tuwi, Batangas. Yes, our Miss Peace Corps, candidate number 11. With an average score of 93.8.
Bali na kayo.
We have candidate number 5 from Calatagan, Batangas. And for our top one, best round quality,
Oh, magdalena.
garnering an average score of 93.8. You are none other than candidate number 1 from Rian, Batangas. Average score of 92.6. You are the top two candidate number 2 from Calatagan, Batangas.
Ganda din ang bata mo.
Candidate number 7 from Calatagan, Batangas.
Yun! Ganda! Ganda nga. Like si Venus Raw.
And now, we will be awarding the Best in Attire. Best in Attire for Kids Edition. Boys category. Okay, kindly go back to your position. Number 4 from Nasipu, Batangas. And for our rank 1 with an average score of 92.8, you are the top 1 in attire. None other than our candidate number 1 from Tuwid, Batangas.
Done.
And for our Best in Attire Kids, Girls category, rank 2 is none other than candidate number 4 from Ligan, Batangas. And our rank number 1 is candidate number 11 from Batangas. Point 6, we have candidate number 5 from Calatagan, Batangas. And our top one with an average score of 93.6. You are the best in attire, candidate number 1 from Ligan, Batangas. And best in attire for girls, Kids Edition. Top 2 with an average score of 93.3. Candidate number 2 from Calatagan. And our top 1 garnering an average of 94.3 from Palayan, candidate number 7. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, inayos, kinumpute, at in-evaluate ng ating judges and tabulator.